The Amdeck floor and roof system implements full 10-inch deep, lightweight steel C-channel floor joists to support construction loads. As a result, the shoring can be placed up to 15 feet on center, which is 4 times less than competing products, significantly reducing construction costs. Note that your structural engineer will provide the exact shoring specifications. One way, concrete floor roof joists, which are formed by the Amdeck floor and roof system, can span approximately 30 to 35 feet using normal concrete mixes and conventional reinforcing steel. Spans of greater than 40 feet can be achieved using higher strength concrete and post-tensioned reinforcing cable strands. The Amdeck floor and roof system is fully reversible, reducing labor time and construction raised on the job site. Unlike competing products, the deck, floor, and roof system comes in standardized, small, lightweight modular units. This system is much easier to use and handle since pieces are not as large and bulky. The EPS used in the green flooring and roofing decking system provides continuous insulation to your concrete floor or roof, which will provide you with an R value of 17.8 or more, depending on other materials used in conjunction with the system. The insulation is also highly effective at reducing the amount of noise that travels from one story to another. When used for roofs, the concrete decking will provide ample protection against natural disasters such as tornadoes, hurricanes, and fires, with a fire rating of up to 2 hours. In addition, it's mold, insect, and rodent resistant. Alligard, protective foam solutions.